Hello Gilly buddies, welcome to the channel. So today let me show you guys Model Town. Now I'm just near the Slim Tabri and I'll just visit Model Town and record video for you guys. The weather here is very pleasant. It's all cloudy, can rain any moment now. I hope it doesn't rain as far as I'm outside, because the camera is not waterproof, so I need to just stop somewhere. Let's hope for the best. On the left hand side there is Mandi. From here you can buy vegetables also, fruits also, some stalls of vegetables and fruits also. My god, this long electricity tower has just been installed, and these are bought from Bajaj Electricals. I guess these have been shipped from Bombay, I guess. I just read somewhere on that pole. So when you want to go to Model Town, there are two options. Either you can just take the flyover of this one on the front, flower on the right, and you can go left also and go through Mall Road. But let me take flyover this time. My, this guy has not serviced his bike from ages, I guess. He's having so much white smoke coming from its tailpipe. And do you know the meaning of white smoke? Maybe some issue with the pistons, I guess. And this guy has black smoke coming from its tailpipe. That means unburnt oil, unburnt fuel. The fuel is not being burnt efficiently. So we are just above Mata Rani Chowk. No, not Mata Rani Chowk, Old Sabzi Mandi Chowk. That is Old Sabzi Mandi Chowk. Can't see anything from here because all the coverings are on the left hand side. This was constructed because one of a young boy, he was riding very fast and he just struck this guardrails and he fell down and died. So because of him, these were installed over here. And by the way, the speed limit is 40 kilometers only, and I don't think so nobody follows that. These both they just went at 50. I can see on the horizon at some place it's raining, and I guess it started raining here also. I hope so it doesn't rain, because I need to just cover up the camera. Let's hope for the best. On the left hand side you can see this mall. I don't remember the name, I guess, but yeah, JMD Govardhan Mall. It's KFC over here and Solitaire Cinemas. I'm not sure if it's open. No, it's closed. The cinema is closed. KFC is open. McDonald's is open. Jagrao Bridge on the right hand side. We'll just take a right turn from here. Wait for the signal to turn green. It's already green. Wow, what a luck. Nice. Ooh. This bridge was made with no, not 1,000 crores, 100 crores. It's that expensive. You can see Durga Mata Mandir on the horizon right hand side, and this is Jagrao Bridge where we are right now. And from here, if you turn right, you can go towards Guru Nanak Stadium, and if you go straight, then Civil Lines. And this road is Firozpur Road from here, starting from here. Firozpur, I guess Firozpur is around 100 or 150 kilometers, I guess, more or less than that. It's already drizzling a little bit. And on left hand side there is some army settlements. I guess they teach the new recruits. They give training. And on the left hand side, this is Hotel Gulmohar. IELTS exams are conducted over here in the Ludhiana. The flyover is already in construction on the full swing. The guard is all being constructed right now, and the part here is not yet been connected with the main, with this intersection. Means the work over this chowk, Bharatnagar chowk, is still pending. You can see all the stanchions over here. The support structure that is constructed before that, this what that is called, like before construction, before pouring concrete, all the structure that is used for the support, that is called stanchions, in case you don't know. It's already started raining, so I guess we need to take shelter for a moment here. I guess we need to stop here because of the rain. And this is Bhagwan Valmiki Chowk, just constructed over here. So we'll just stand over here and wait. If it starts raining, then we need to stop here. So today I'm stuck because of the rain. Already been standing here for more than half an hour, and the rain has been pouring continuously. It just stopped 2 times and started again. Oh my. So I can't do anything. I just need to stand here and wait for the rain to stop. So you also enjoy a couple of minutes with the rain and I am already enjoying. So I have been waiting 2 hours at that point but now after getting wet, now the rain has stopped, but because of the standing water the streets had been flooded a lot, so my shoes are all wet. So let me show you a few of the shots if I can. Okay guys, तो थोड़ा सीन कवर करके ना फिर चलते हैं. And this is the area near Model Town, Deep Hospital Road, and you can see how much flooded the streets are. And it's already been half an hour, more than half an hour the rain has been stopped, but it's already very flooded streets here. You can see an example how much water it is. Actually on the left hand side the water level is more than on the center of the street, and on the right hand side it's Deep Hospital. So this is one of the most posh area of the Ludhiana and it's so much flooded. You can see how much facilities you get during the rainy season. You get to enjoy the flooded streets like in Bombay. So I hope you are enjoying the video. As soon as I get out from these flooded streets, so that will be all for this video, but I need to get out. And so much hodgepodge. Actually, you don't need to apply any brakes at all, because the force of the water is so much that my transport automatically stops. Oh man, he's enjoying with his bigger tires. This is one of the posh area of Ludhiana, where you are seeing all this action happening. So it's all for this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. See you.